Welcome to the Daily Rant. So, the Daily Rant today addresses one thing that we all know is probably the biggest problem for Windows 11 for most people. It's the minimum requirements and the planned obsolescence of Windows PCs that, can't move on from 10 to 11 because of those minimum requirements. But the rant's going to go a little further because there's something weird about what's happening right now. As you might have seen in a previous video, Microsoft has removed from its compatibility list for 24H2 8, 9, and 10th generation Intel CPUs. What does it mean? Why remove from a list perfectly good working CPUs that are compatible? I mean, some of you are probably on 24H2 with some of these CPUs. And yet, what's happening is they removed, almost like saying, well, in the near future, we might tighten the minimum requirements a little more, which is a nonsense for Windows 11 that already has a hard time moving ahead because of its minimum requirements. Come on, Microsoft, what the hell are you doing? And, the rant goes large here because it means a lot of people, you're going to tell people that have a perfectly working PC that in 25H2, oh, by the way, you're out of the game. You're not going to be compatible with 25H2 or something. And this actually also shows us a future of what Windows will be. We talked about Windows 12 possibility. And my take on it is that Windows 12 will have higher minimum requirements. I already thought about it, that it be a NPU requirement to have a neural processing unit on your PC for Windows 12. And we haven't had minimum requirements that were so high in previous versions of Windows. They were moving ahead until Windows 8, but then in Windows 10, pretty much stayed there, and people with older machines with Windows 7 could move to Windows 10. But now this is unexplainable and kind of scary at the same time. And I think Microsoft needs to wake up. Do not change the minimum requirements on Windows 11. Do not make them, higher. Do not prevent more people from moving on, because this has a bad effect. You are, in essence, having people throw away tons of PCs that are perfectly good. And that is also something that you should be aware of when you do that. So Microsoft, wake up, okay? This isn't the right thing to do. And stop fiddling with minimum requirements. These CPUs are perfectly good. I mean, my old Toshiba PC, which has an old, Core i5 from 10 years ago, runs Windows 11. Yeah, okay, it runs it a little slow. But still, come on. What the hell are you doing? This is crazy. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.